Shoenice again. Well, basically, I got my helicopter cap back. I want to tell you guys a story. Hold on a second. This story goes out to my favorite bartender, Nate. His buddies, Tori, Corey, Roger, and Randy. Scott and his dad. We just all hang out at a bar. Well, basically, we got a imported tequila bottle with the actual dude, A. Lopez, signs the number and everything of the bottle. Now, when it came in, it's Avión. We already killed the bottle yesterday, and then he got a new one. I went down to there. People begged me to slam it in the bar, but the owner said no. He came back. He's like, we just can't have that here, Shoenice. Oh my God, my helicopter cap. Don't get that fucked up. Perfect. I'm Jimmy Neutron, bitches. Either way, I did a couple shots of this, but now they just want me to slam this. This is Avión Reposado Tequila. If you don't believe that it's real, we don't fucking care, because the people downstairs know. There ain't gonna be no seal crack. Oh, it'll pop a little bit. It's just a cork. I did this with limes and salt earlier, but now this is like 70, 60, 50 shots. I don't know. So, 3/4 of Avión slammed with the helicopter right, no blinking and no puking allowed. Hold on, I just dropped my keys. Damn things, I don't even drive a car. On your mark, get set, Shoenice. Die! Somebody said, blow a hit of medicinal, hold a hit of medicinal, slam a beer, do a shot. I just slammed the medicinal and smoked 30 shots of tequila. You can't play with me. I don't give a rat's ass. I can't sell this bottle to nobody because they're like handcrafted. They're like the dude Lopez. He signs this shit. He says, yo, yo, yo. Bottle 481, A. Lopez. If anybody knows about the Avión relationship with the people that make it, and the history around it, you'll understand why I sound like Homer Simpson eating Mark. You don't even sound like Mark anymore, Shoenice. You just sound like a punk ass bitch with a helicopter hat on. Everybody join in. I think we all know this song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Don't bring that nasty pig around me. H, I, J. J is for joint. Smoke a motherfucker before I blast you in the doint. TUVWXYZ. There ain't no zebra in this porn movie. Everybody always asks for an aftermath, but I was already drunk before I slammed the tequila. That's my secret. When you're drunk and you lube your tongue with Orajel, then you know how to get the pussy. Pot and pussy for life. Game face with the helicopter cap. Meth face. I don't know where the TV went. Breaking Bad is coming back. Who cares about the living dead? Because in the end, Honey Boo Boo is the best show on earth. cup of fart, bitches. Yeah, yeah.